Hello, my name is Daniel Alvarez, and I chose to do my presentation on the gray whale. A little background information is that they can grow up to 49 feet in length and approximately 90,000 pounds. The gray whale's biome is in the oceanic pelagic zone. They are commonly located on the west coast of North America and the east coast of Asia. They live 100 feet below the surface in cold to moderate temperatures. Their diet consists of crustaceans and tube worms that roam on the ocean floor. Orcas can also be found lurking nearby. Gray whales have adapted a quicker way for swimming by having longer and sleeker bodies that allow for less drag and more speed when diving. Gray whales stick to the ocean floor most of the time to hide from any predators that may be above them. It does become problematic during their long 7-month migration season, where they travel 12,000 miles to the Arctic and back, because they are prone to being struck by ships or being caught in any fishing gear along the way. Food webs are natural interconnections of food chains that demonstrate the ecological community to show what eats what. On food webs, gray whales typically eat amphipods and invertebrates. Their only natural predator is an orca, also known as a killer whale. However, killer whales eat more than just gray whales, such as octopus and other types of fish. Gray whales are often in danger of collisions with vessels. They are one of the primary threats to marine mammals, particularly large whales. Gray whales are vulnerable to vessel strikes because their habitat is along the United States west coast, which has some of the world's heaviest vessel traffic. Another primary threat to the gray whales is the effect of climate change. It is considered one of the largest threats facing high-latitude regions where many gray whales forage. With climate change, the timing and distribution of sea ice coverage is changing dramatically with altered oceanographic conditions. Because of this, there may be sudden changes in prey distribution that could lead to changes in foraging behavior, nutritional stress, and diminished reproduction for gray whales. Additionally, it could alter the gray whale's proper timing for when to begin migrating south. As shown on the map on screen, gray whales are populated as far north as the coast of Russia, where there have been results of habitat degradation caused by offshore oil and gas development off Sakhalin Island, Russia. Pipelines and other types of infrastructure construction activities have the potential of heavily impacting gray whale prey communities. To prevent these dangerous threats from happening, we must take precautions when in the vicinity of gray whales. To prevent vessel strikes, boats should be reduced to 10 knots or less. Boat drivers should keep a steady eye for any signs of them, such as their tail fins or blowholes. Boats should also remain at least 100 yards away from gray whales. If you see anyone littering or throwing garbage into the ocean, report it or let them know it is a violation and they can be fined or put in jail. If you see any signs of distress in a gray whale, report it immediately to a professional and never try to approach or save the animal yourself. There are numerous organizations with trained professionals ready to respond, such as California Wildlife Center and Marine Animal Rescue. Here are my resources, and this concludes my presentation.